Hi, welcome back to GNG. Today discuss about sort an array of zeros, ones and twos problem. This is the easy array problem. First solve to array problem. You want to approach this problem. You first understand this what's want to tell this problem first read. I read this. Given an array size of n means that n size and contain only zeros and ones and twos. Sort the array in an ascending order. Output will this type of. Now what's approach you know? Very easy approach. Only and complexity is now once we go off when you can see this. Okay. I solved this very easy. You can see only r dot sort. I can compile this in front of you. Now my problem. No. Your output is the expected output. Thanks. Now submit this problem. Problem is successfully submitted. Test cases also passed. You can see. Okay. You can if you like my problem solving